Question is, what is continuous and comprehensive evaluation? Means CCE. What is CCE? Continuous and comprehensive evaluation refers to a student evaluation system which covers all aspects of activities related to a student development. It emphasizes twofold objectives such as continuity of evaluation and assessment of learning outcomes in a comprehensive manner. It covers all the domains of learning such as cognitive, affective and psychomotor domain. It treats evaluation as a development process. Meaning of continuous. The term continuous refers to a regularity in assessment. The development of a student is a continuous process. Therefore, student development should be assessed continuously. Evaluation has to be completely integrated with the teaching learning process. Evaluation students on a continuous basis in a cyclic manner in one aspect of CCE. Meaning of comprehensive. The second term associated with CCE is comprehensive. The term comprehensive implies that evaluation of learners' performance is carried out in both scholastic and co-scholastic area. Scholastic means जो सिलेबस होता है, स्कूल की बुक्स होती हैं जो उसे स्टूडेंट स्टडी करता है, जैसे मैथ, साइंस, हिंदी, इंग्लिश एट्सेट्रा. को स्कॉलस्टिक मीन्स जो सिलेबस से हट के है, जैसे थिंकिंग स्किल डेवलप करना, रंगोली बनाना, ड्रामा क्लास, म्यूजिक, डांस एट्सेट्रा. The major emphasis of CCE is on the continuous growth of students, ensuring their intellectual, emotional, physical, cultural and social development, and therefore will not be merely limited to assessment of learners' scholastic attainment. It uses assessment as a motivating learners in further programs to provide information for arranging feedback and follow-up work to improve upon the learning in the classroom. Scholastic assessment. So now we can say assessment is a two types. One is the scholastic assessment and second is the co-scholastic assessment. In scholastic assessment, this is also a two types. One is the formative assessment and second is the summative assessment. Formative assessment, now pattern is changed. Now formative assessment we are saying a periodic assessment. Periodic means PT1, PT2. Yeah, some schools are calling UT1, UT2. Summative assessment means term ending examination. Formative assessment means conversation skill, assignment, oral question, projects, quiz, research work in group. And summative assessment means MCQ, short answer, long answer, flexible. In summative assessment, there is a time is flexible. This is also called a term ending exam. And second evaluation is assessment is co-scholastic assessment. This is the many types. Some we will discuss now, like a thinking skill. In thinking skill, creative thinking, critical thinking, problem solving, decision making. Social skill, communication skills and interpersonal skills. Emotional skills, dealing with emotions, dealing with stress, self-awareness. And fourth is value attitudes towards teachers, students, peers, school programs, and environment. Then co-curriculum activities, creative and literary activities, aesthetic activities, club and scientific activities. These are also called the co-scholastic activities. Planning for continuous and comprehensive evaluation. CCE have planned to minimize fear and anxiety among learners about the examination and evaluation. CCE have planned to help learners, parents, and teachers in the following ways. It reduces the dropout rate as there will be less fear and anxiety among learners to their performance. In CCE, greater focus is given on learning rather than in conducting tests and examination. It contributes to the holistic development of learning. CCE is used as an instrument of preparing learners for future life by making them physically fit, mentally alert, emotionally balanced, and socially adjusted. Learners